Hello everyone. Just a second, I'm checking whether it is streaming or not. Okay. Amarnadh Emani. Hello. Okay. This is streaming fine. Okay, good. Right, I'm checking. Yeah, good. I'm opening the PDF and then we'll start it. Okay. Yeah, my dear boys and girls, those who are tried to join the class yesterday and who find that the class was not there, I'm very sorry for you. Okay, so boys and girls, those who are tried to join the class yesterday and who find that the class was not there. Good. Have any trouble? I hope now I'm clear for you. వస్తుంది రావట్లేదా? సౌండ్ వస్తుందన్నా చెక్ చేయడానికి పెట్టా అంతే కరియా. My dear boys and girls, respond once. Good. Hello everyone, good evening. Myself Amarnadh Emani, faculty for aptitude, pure maths and reasoning. So welcome to my classes, Amarnadh sir classes alias, okay, that is our classes. Okay, Amarnadh sir classes. Good. Let's start the session one by one. Yeah, my dear boys and girls, as I said earlier, I'm going to start CSAT exclusive online batch. Okay, so if you observe in the offline, the faculties, the institutions are offering us only 45 hours of time. Okay, one second. Good evening, Lokesh Kumar. Okay, good. Actually, it is not showing the original count of the students to me. That's why I'm getting some confusion. No problem, but still, since you are able to understand me, that's enough for me. Okay, CSAT 45 hours, and some organizations, if we force, they are offering us 60 hours. For 45 and 60 hours, they are struggling a lot. Now the paper is going to the level of CAT. Slowly it is going to the level of CAT. Don't worry, today also I will show you some beautiful questions. Okay, so the paper is going towards the CAT and the number of hours are getting reduced from 45 hours or 60 hours something. Then how can the students will qualify in the examination? That is the motto to take my own app and to start my own classes for CSAT. Okay, right, good. So now what are timings and all? I'm giving you 1 minute. Okay, so duration of this batch is 100 plus or minus 10 hours. Okay, so 100 hours are plus or minus 10. That means 90 to 110 hours I'll take lectures. Okay, each lecture will be you can take as live class, as well as it is available for what we say in your app also. That means after the class you can take it as a recorded video, and the timings are 8 to 9:30 p.m. Okay, if you have any problem, inform me once. Okay, if more number of people has a problem, means I might change the time, else this is the convenient time, because anybody who is already taking coaching in different organizations, or anybody who is already a working employee, for them also 8 to 9:30 is convenient time. Okay, and the validity is 1 year. Okay, The course duration is 90 to 110 hours, daily 1.5 hour. That means that it will take 60 to 70 days, okay, in general. But still what I'm saying is 1 year is the validity. 60 to 70 days means hardly we will complete in the span of 3 months. But still I'm saying that it is valid for 1 year, okay. And what we will cover is, apart from the regular lectures, that means taking the classes and answering all your doubts, we will clarify your doubts, okay, and practice questions we will provide you, and few, okay, 2-3 mark tests or 1 or 2 mark tests we will provide you. I will provide you. Okay, this is the app name. It's already available in Play Store. Okay, you can easily download. If anybody is using Apple mobile, they have to keep a message to my number 96184161189, so that I will send you the App Store link for you directly. Okay, this is not available in the App Store directly. Okay, I will send a link so that you can download it through it. Okay, good. Now I'm showing you how to download and all, even though you know that. Search with this name, Amarnadh Sir Classes. See the spelling, Amarnadh, N-A-D-H, not N-A-T-H. Okay, and the next point is Amar and Nadh, in between no space will be there. Amarnadh Sir Classes. Okay, you'll find my app with this logo. Okay, in this one, after clicking on it, you will come to this screen. Okay, click on install, so that yeah, it is installed, right? So after install, you have to open the app. Once you have opened the app, it looks like this. Okay, in this interface, you have to first register. Next time onwards, you can log in. Okay, once you register means you have to give your name, phone number, email address, username, that whatever you want, and the password whatever you want, and which state you belong to, and agree that the terms and conditions of it, and happily register. Okay, once you register, this is the page. Okay, once you have registered, you have to go for courses. In this courses, what I'm going to do is I'm giving you the access for the classes. Okay, that means, okay, if you go for it, okay, this will show like this. Okay, CSAT 2022. Okay, buy now, view details, view demo. Okay, you can find all these three. Okay, if you you can happily buy here. Okay, so the charge for it is, already I have mentioned, it is 2000 rupees, right? So 2000 rupees plus, and the additional point is for internet charges and all, they will charge 60 rupees. That's not mine, that is the app people. Okay, so this is the amount that you have to pay to join the courses. Okay, when the classes will start and all, we will see in few moments. Okay, good. Now I'm going to start a beautiful question. Okay, see, as I said earlier, how I'm going to deal, I want to show you. Okay, so this is a previous examination question. This is a question given in CSAT 2022. Okay, in the CSAT 2022, this question was given. Okay, right, good. And now see the question. Right, the digits 1 to 9 are arranged in 3 rows in such a way that each row contains 3 digits. Okay, each row 3 digits means 9 digits overall, right? So 3 3s are 9. Okay, good. And the number formed in the second row is twice the number formed in the first row, and the number formed in the third row is thrice the number formed in the first row. Okay, number formed in the second row, that means 3 rows are there, right? Okay, second row, this is twice that of this one. Okay, because it's a 3-digit number now, it is twice. Number formed in the third row is thrice. Okay, if you take 3 rows like this, and if you feel this is the first row, this is the case. If you feel that 3 rows are like this, this is the first row, and this is the second row, and this is the third row. Okay, automatically what happens, here to here it is double, and here to here it is triple. You can take anything, right? Okay, no problem in it. Now let us see how do we simplify it, and what are the other conditions that he has given. Okay, so next one, what he said, repetition of digits is not allowed. This is very important condition. Repetition is not allowed. Okay, right. If only 3 of the 4 digits 2, 3, 7, 9 are allowed to use in the first row. In the first row, we have to use any of 2, 3, 7 and 9 only. Any of the 3 only. Okay, how many such combinations are possible to be arranged in the 3 rows? Okay, how many such digits arrangements are possible? Okay, I'm assuming this is the first row, and this is the, yeah, I think if I write there, yes, it is clear. Okay, this is the second row, and this is the third row. Okay, good. So in the first row, I need 3 digits, right? Suppose if I have taken 9 here, if I double it, this is 9 is in the hundreds position, means this is 2 digits are there now, so it is a 3-digit number. So that 9 is in hundreds position. If I double it, it will become 1800, means it will become a 4-digit number. 4 digit numbers are not possible for us, 3 digits only, right or wrong? That's why in the first place 9 should not come here. Okay, right. Next one. Suppose in the first place 9 should not come. In the second place, if 7 comes, first place if 7 comes, double means 14. Again, it is becoming another. That's why I'm not going for it. So this can be occupied by either 2 or 3 only. Because if I take 2 or 3, it satisfies it. Okay, that's why I am taking the first place. It is 2. Okay. So out of these 4 numbers, one number is appeared here. Now 3 more numbers, 3, 7, 9. But we have 2 places. That means one number I have to eliminate. That means I can take 237. Okay, I can say 239. I can say 279. Okay, 3 possibilities I can think of it. Okay, so I will verify each and every one, because we have the condition that all the digits should be present and no digit should be repeated, right? Okay, so if I take 237 as the first number, that is first row, then double is second one, that is double means 474. Sir, by seeing this I can say that this is not a valid law, because the 7 is a digit that was appeared more than once, because he is saying that repetition of digits is not allowed. That means no digit should repeat. That's why, so once any failure comes means that entire number we have to remove. Okay, so that's why what I am doing is, okay, good. So 237 is not a valid logic now. That's why I am removing that 237. Okay. Okay, good. 237 I am removing completely. Okay. If I remove 237, the next possibility is 239 I am taking. If I take 239, okay, double means how much it is? 478. Okay, no repetition. Happy. 239, if I triple means it is going to be 717. Sir, 7 appeared 3 times, sir. No digit should repeat, sir. That means this combination is also a failure one. That doesn't works. Okay. Right, that doesn't works. I have removed this combination. The next combination is 279. I am taking 279. If I double it, it is 558. Sir, here itself it's a failure because 5 appeared 2 times. Am I right? That means this is also not a possible combination. That means in the first place, what we did, 9 should not come, 7 should not come. Now I have proved that 2 should also not come. That means what should come? 3 should come. If 3 should come, okay, so then what happens? It is nearly 300. Okay, 300 threes, that means this is double, this is triple now. Okay, 300 double means 600, it's fine. 397 is the greatest number that I can take, right? Okay, so if I take 397, then what happens? Triple will not be a 3-digit number. 397 means it is going to be more than 1,000. More than 1,000 means 4 digit. That's so 397 doesn't possible. Okay, if I take 37 something, suppose 372 or 379 something, that means this place if it is occupied by 7, then what happens? 37 triple, 370 triple means it is going to be 1110. Okay, so that means again a 4-digit number. That means in the second place 7 should also not come. So first place is fixed by 3, second place should not come by 7 and 9. That means it should be occupied by 8, 2. Okay, now the third place can be occupied by 7, or the third one can be occupied by 9. Okay, so these two possibilities are there. Now I have to verify double and triple, no digit should repeat and all the digits should be covered, right? If I double it, it is 654. Sir, so far no digit appeared again. So I am happy. 327, if I triple, you will get the third row, right? Okay. Triple means it is going to be 981. If you observe, 9 not repeated, 8 not repeated, 1 not repeated, 6 not repeated, 5, 4, 3, 2, 7, nobody is repeated. That means 327 is undoubtedly a valid answer. So one possibility is there, so far I have counted. The other number I have to try is 329. Okay, if I double it, it is nothing but 658. Okay, beautiful. No digit repeated so far. 329, if I triple it, there the problem starts. That is 987. Am I right? So 987 means, sir, 8 appeared 2 times. That's why this is also not a possible combination. That means 327 is the only combination. Since it is the only combination, can I conclude that? So the only answer for the given question is the fourth option. That is only one possibility. Am I right, my dear boys and girls? Okay, this is the point that you have to notice. Okay, right, which option is the answer? Fourth option. Hope you understand. Okay, my dear boys and girls, in the comment section, if you are active, it motivates me a lot. Okay, let's see the next one. Okay, A has some coins. He gives half of the coins and 2 more to B. Okay, A has some coins. What he did? Half and 2 more to B. Okay, good. So A has some coins, he said. He has not specified that B has some coins. That's why I'm not thinking about the coins of B. Okay, good. Yeah, 1 second, I'm checking. Okay, good. That means how the things are going on. I'm checking in the app, in the mobile. Okay, right, good. Okay, good. I have rejoined. Good. Now I understand what is happening. Okay, then what happens? So that means initially B doesn't have any coin. Okay, whatever A gives, those are the coins with B. Okay, good. B gives half of the coins and 2 more to C. Okay, initially he has not specified anything about C also. That means that C also have empty hands. B gives half of the coins plus 2. Okay, so these are the coins with C now. Okay, next what happens? C gives half of the coins and 2 more to D. Okay, sir, D also he has not specified that anything that he has some coins initially. That means that D also have same, that is half of what C gave plus 2. Okay, good. The number of coins D has now is the smallest 2-digit number. What is the smallest 2-digit number? It is 10. Oh, good. So now D has 10 coins. That means this is equal to 10 coins. Okay. How many coins does A have in the beginning? Okay, how many A have in the beginning? Hope you understand the question. Okay. If you go forward, it's a tough question. If you come back, it's an easy question. Number 1. Number 2, go with the options. It is easy one. Okay. But I'm against, not all the times, but in general, I'm against to go with the options. So let's get back. Okay. So D got plus 2. Then he got half plus 2. He got 10 coin. 10. That means that if these two, if I move that side, it is 8. So when he got half, it is 8. That means that, so C has 16 coins with him. How many coins C has? 16. Because D has 10 coins, he already, I'm changing the color and I'm showing you. Okay. I'm coming in the reverse order. Okay. If it is multiplication, go with the division. If it is addition, go with the subtraction. That's it. 10. It is plus 2. So minus 2. 8. It is half. So double. So 8. Okay. 8 double is 16. So C has 16 coins. Same. It is plus 2. Subtract. Minus 2. 14. Half. Double. That is equals to 28. So B has 28 coins. Again it is plus 2. Subtract. 28 minus 2. So 26. Okay. 26 double. So 52. So A has 52 coins. That's it. Okay. Like this we can happily go with it. If you feel that you are not comfortable with it, then happily go with the options. Assume A has 52 coins. 52 coins. Half of the coins means 26 plus 2 he has given. That means B has 28 coins. Half of the coins plus 2. Half means 14 plus 2 means 16 coins. So C has 16 coins. Again half. Half means 8. 8 plus 2 is 10 coins. So D got the 8 coins. 10 coins. That is what the conclusion that he made, right? D has how many coins now? Smallest 2-digit number. That is 10. That means that my answer 52 is the right answer. Suppose if you take any other number, suppose 60 if I have taken. So suppose if A has 60, half he has given means 30, plus 2 means 32. Okay. Half he has given means it is 34. Okay. Sorry, 16. 16 plus 2 means it is 18. Half he has given means 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. Sir, it is 11, sir. But D has given only 10 coins. That means that this 60 is not the right answer. Okay. That means this we can strike out. Like this also you can do. If you observe option verification, the toughest point is you don't know the answer. That's why you will start with this. You will came to know that that is not. You will go with it. It is not. You will go with it. It is not. Then answer is 52. Time will be wasted a lot. So go with the conventional way. You will get the answer easily. Okay. Good. So answer is 60. Right. My dear boys and girls, at least sometimes respond once. Okay. Good. Right. Now I am going to the next question. In the series A, B, B, C. Are you observing my point? Okay, I am splitting directly. A, B, B, C, B, C, D, B, C, D, E, and so on. Which letter appears at the 100th place? Superb. Okay. What we have to observe, you need to count it. Which one you want? 100th one. So what I will say is, first, this is the first part, 1. Second part, 2. Third part, 3. Fourth part, 4. Fifth part, 5, and so on. Right or wrong? This addition should be equal to 100 actually. Okay. So this addition need to be 100 means, so one problem we can face, that is, these are natural number sum, right? Can I say n into n plus 1 by 2? This value is equal to 100. Okay, so for what this might be equal to 100, might not be, because if you take at the 10th place, it will be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay, so this might be the 100th place. If it is not, if G is the 100th place, then what happens? This series will cut here. That means the 10th one you will not get completely, right? That's why you are unable to say that will definitely, that means it will definitely equal to 100. It might be equal to 100. That's why I'm verifying, not I'm saying that this is definitely equal. Okay, good. So n into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 100, means n into n plus 1 is equal to how much? 200. Okay, I'm now trial and error I'm doing. Okay, for what values of n? Suppose I'm randomly checking 10. 10 into 11 means 110 only, but you need 200, means bigger number is required. Okay, if I take it as 11 and 12, okay, 11 into 12 means 132, much more bigger is required, leave it. Okay, next one. Suppose if I have taken 12 and 13, 12 into 13 is 156, bigger number is required, leave it. So 13 and 14, 13 14s are 182, bigger number is required. Okay, if I take 14 15, sir, you are getting 14 into 15 is equal to 210, that much is not there. That means this is not equal to 14 and 15, that means n value should not be 14. Okay, so what you have to observe is n value is 13, automatically it is 14. So that means how many such patterns are completed, I am going to verify. This is a complete pattern, 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 this is a complete pattern. Okay, how many such patterns are completed means 13 are completed. If 13 are completed, then n into n plus 1 by 2 I have to take now. So n is 13 into 13 plus 1 means 14. 14 by 2 means 2 ones, 2 sevens, 13 sevens are 91. 91 terms are completed. Am I right? Out of 100. That means still how many terms are pending? 9 terms are pending. Okay. Now 13 terms are completed means this is one set. Am I right? This is the second set. So first set has 1. Second set has 2 elements. Third set has 3. Fourth set has 4. 13 set has 13. That is completed. That means the next one is 14 elements. 14 elements means A, B, C and so on. 14 this end. This is the one you have. But you don't have 14 elements. You have only 9 elements left. Am I right or wrong? When 13 series are completed, 91 terms are completed. Okay. But still 9 are pending for you. That's why what I can say A, B, C and so on. The 9th one is I. So the 9th one is I. This is the answer. What's the answer? B is the answer. Okay, now my dear boys and girls. Hope you understand. Okay. So these are not dependent on percentages. These are not dependent on profit and loss and all. This depends purely on generalized concept. Okay. Good. See the next one. Okay. Right now I am going to take the next question. Okay. Right. I am getting back. Yes. Good. It is. Okay. There are 8 equidistant points on a circle. Okay. On a circle, 8 equidistant points means I will draw here. Okay, what we want is a circle, right? Okay, good. So this is a circle. Okay, good. 8 equidistant points means I can say that exactly opposite. 4 points completed. Middle, like this I have to take. The advantage of this means if you take any opposite, it will become a diagonal, right or wrong? Okay, if I take this 2, it will become a diagonal, right? Exactly 2 equal halves. Okay. So that means it makes it 2 equal circles or half circles. Okay. How many right angled triangles can be drawn using these points as vertices and taking the diameter as one side of the triangle? Okay. So by using this I have to form a right angle triangle. By taking the diagonal or diameter as one of the side. Okay. Suppose these two if I join. Okay. This is one side of the triangle. How many triangles right angle triangles we can form is asking. Only one rule I will say for you. That is angle in semicircle is 90 degrees. Angle in semicircle is 90 degrees. Semicircle is 90 degrees. This is the important point. That's it. If angle in semicircle is 90, that means that, sir, if I join this, okay, yeah, good. I will erase this. I will redraw. Okay, good. Because it should be a little bit clear now. Good. Let's go for it. Okay, good. Okay, good. This is okay. This is 2 points, right? Okay. Now observe a point. Angle in semicircle is 90 means suppose this is a semicircle, right? The upper part is a semicircle. Okay, upper part is a semicircle. Now suppose if I take this vertex and I am joining, observe. If I join like this, okay, then automatically what happens? So this is a right angle triangle. Here it is 90 degrees because this is an angle in semicircle, right? That means it is 90 degrees. Yeah, good evening, Bharati. How are you? After a long time. Good. So the next point. So not only this, if I take any other like this, suppose observe, if I have taken this one and if I have taken this one, still it forms a right angle. Why? Because, sir, this is a semicircle, that means this is a right angle triangle. That means what I can conclude is, so this is one right angle triangle. This is another right angle triangle. Say, sir, no, just now as I shown, this is another 2. This is the third one, right? Okay. Third right angle triangle. So that means what you can observe, okay, good, fine. 1, 2, 3. How many vertices are there? Means those many right angle triangles you are getting, except these 2, right? So that means what I can conclude is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because the bottom one is also right angle triangle, semicircle only, right? So we can say that this is also a right angle triangle. Okay. So this is also a right angle triangle. Okay. Good. This is also a right angle triangle. Okay. That means to understand the concept, that means once you are clear with the concept, then what I can conclude, so how many vertices are there? Those many right angle triangles are there. How many vertices are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 vertices are there, means 6 right angle triangles will get. How many right angle triangles will get? 6. Now I am having another question, that is, sir, so far you have taken these 2 as a diagonals, right? Okay, let's think of it again. So this is my circle. Okay, now instead of taking those 2 as a diagonal, can I join this as a diagonal? Then what happens, sir? 1 to 2 vertices, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices are there. Superb. Now what happens if I take this one? Then I'll get 2 different right angle triangles. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. That means that again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means again 6, sir. That means whatever are the possible diagonals you can take, diameters you can take, okay, each one has 6 right angle triangles, right? See, if you take this one, 1, 2, 3 right angle triangles. 1, 2, 3 right angle triangles. 3 plus 3 is 6 right angle triangles. Okay. Now I should know that how many sides I can take as a diagonals. This is 1. Okay. This is the other 2. Okay. This is the other 3. Okay. This is the other 4. Every time you will get 6, 6, right? So 6 plus, so the total number of triangles means 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, that is equal to 24. Good answer, Bharati. I like it. Okay. 24 triangles we will get. Okay. So this is the important point that you should notice. Hope you understand, my dear boys and girls. Okay. Let's see the next beautiful question. Okay. Let's see the next one. Okay. A person X wants to distribute some pens among 6 children A, B, C, D, E and F. Suppose A gets twice the number of pens received by B, 3 times that of C, 4 times that of D, 5 times that of E and 6 times that of F. What is the minimum number of pens X should buy so that the number of pens each one gets is an even number? Super. First, X is distributing some pens to the children A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, this is a question from ratios. Yeah, Bharati, PET we will discuss after this class. Thank you, Group D, you have written well means. Okay, good. I like to listen such words. Okay, good. So don't worry, after completion of the class we will discuss about it. Okay, good. Yeah, okay. X want to distribute some pens to A, B, C, D, E and F, right? In which ratio he want to distribute? I am writing here A, B, C, D, E and F. If only 2, A and B are there, then it is very easy. A gets twice the number of pens received by B. That means 1:2. A gets thrice the number of pens of C, means if C is 1, A. If I take like this, time will be wasted a lot. That's why what I want to do is, I'll just take that, okay, A is twice, okay, thrice to C, am I right? 3 times to C, 4 times to D, okay, 5 times to E, okay, 6 times 2 F. Okay. So I will feel that A has a number of pens which is the LCM of all these numbers. Then the problem will be solved in the easiest manner. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 if I take. 2, 3 LCM is 6. 6, 4 LCM is 12. 12, 5 LCM is 60. 60 and 6 LCM is 60. That means A has 60 pens, let us assume. Okay, ratio I am writing, so no problem at all. What he said, A gets twice the number of pens received by B. That means A is getting twice. That means B is getting half of A. That means if A gets 60, B gets 30. Okay. Next one, A gets 3 times the number of pens of C. That means C gets reverse. That is 1/3 of A. 1/3 of 60 means how many? 20. Next one, D gets what A gets 4 times that of D. That means D gets 1/4 of A. 1/4 of 60 means how much it is? 15. Okay. How many E gets? 5 times that of E A will get. That means A gets 5 times of E. E gets 1/5 of A. 1/5 of 60. That means how many he will get? 12 only. What about F? So 6 times that of F A gets. Am I right? So that means F gets 1/6 of A. 1/6 of 60 means 10. Okay. In this ratio, they have to distribute the number of pens. In this ratio, they have to distribute the number of pens. Sir, observe a small point. What should be the minimum number of pens? Because we have the ratio, we don't know the number of pens. But, okay, what is saying? The number of pens each one gets is an even number. Each one should be an even number means this is even okay, this is even okay, this is not. This is okay, this is okay. That means this should make even. To make it even, this should be doubled, right? Then only it will become an even number. Okay. So if I double only D, the value gets altered. That means I have to multiply all these numbers. That means now A will get 120, B will get 60, C will get 40, D will get 30, E will get 24 and F will get 20. That means total number of pens means I have to add all these numbers, right? Okay. If I add it, I'll get the answer simply. 60 plus 40, 100. 30 plus 20, 50. 100 plus 50 is 150. 150 plus 120, 270. 270 plus 24. That means 294 pens are required here. Lokesh, your message was retracted. That means I don't know what you want to tell me. Okay. Like this we can do. Okay. If you observe a point, my dear boys and girls. Okay. These are all problems you might suffer when you are doing the examination. But this is the reality. That means you can do it easily. Okay. Okay, right. See, we will see the remaining in the next session. Okay. Now I am going to give you the final one because the time more than half an hour I have taken. Okay. Good, my dear boys and girls. Yeah, as I said earlier, the fee for CSAT exclusively full content is 5,000 rupees only. But early bird offer I am giving you 2,000 only. Okay. This is for the first 100 members. Okay. Right. So more than 100 means definitely it will become 5,000 only. Okay. Right, good. Hope you understand. And the most important point that everybody is eagerly waiting is when the classes will start. Okay, this is the date for the classes. The classes starts on 29th 8th 2022. That is Monday. Okay, right. Monday onwards we'll have the class. Okay, at 8 p.m. daily. Okay. So hope you understand where the classes will be. The classes will be in my app that is named as Amarnadh Sir Classes. Amarnadh Sir Classes. Download the app immediately, and as I shown earlier, how to pay, register immediately. Okay. So once it is you have registered, you Monday onwards you will get the class directly at 8 p.m. Okay. You will be notified through app and all. Okay. Hope you understand. Thank you, my dear boys and girls. Thank you. Good night. Jai Hind.